Okay, now let us discover the platform tool in action. Currently, the platform tool customization options are available under Portal, Customizations, Class tree templates, marker templates, and exam analysis templates. There are three stuffs are available. So we will discover along with this in the exam module. And this is the availability of platform tools customization interface in version 2. Definitely this is going to be changed in version 3. So that time it will be available as a separate module is as per the current plan. Anyway, let us start discovering this in the Markart template now. Now if you click on the Markart template, you can see there are templates like template ID and all the stuff. So if you click on here, if you click on add new, so you have you can mention the template ID, then the CSS codes, then PHP codes and header codes. There are 3 codes we need to put. So to simplify this or how to look this, I'll show you the one which is already created. So here you see the basic model Markart sheet and graph one template is there, and another one Markart template is there. Basic model Markart template is there. So if you want to edit or if you want to see what is there in it, so this is the template. So this will be visible while we generate the Markart. So let's see what are the codes are done here. See CSS, what is the CSS codes. So CSS codes are available here. Then the PHP codes. So the PHP codes are available here and the head codes. So now we need to learn what is this and where it is applicable. All that we need to understand. So that I'll make you to explore how the stuff in the detail section in the coming detail sections. But now please understand the template. So what are the programs we need to do? The codes we need to write, the CSS codes we need to write here, PHP codes we need to write here, and the header code we need to write here. And let's see how the Markart is being generated. Markart is generated in academic, exams, and generate Markart generate. Okay, and coming here we have an option of choosing the template. You see the choosing your template, which template you want. Say basic model mark sheet. Then it will ask what is the academic year, which academic year you want. Okay, I am taking this. And which section you want to. I am taking this section. And then it will ask me which exam you want. So say okay, I want to take the exam of the test exam. And now there is something called as an attendance include. See, we will be in a position to generate the attendance the way it is recorded in the system. So what we have to do is, if you click on this attendance include, then we have an option to say attendance start date and attendance end date. So when we click on this start date and end date, it will generate, it will automatically pick the attendance from the system. If in case you are not marked the attendance properly or something, you can leave this option. But if you want the system to calculate the attendance, it will calculate with the help of this. After that, you can click on generate. So it generates. So sorry. Okay. So that means that exam mark is not being updated. So that is the reason why it is not done. So the division by 0 is coming because the mark is not updated for that particular exam. That is a step. So what we have to do is we can change that exam. Test 1 will do and regenerate. So now the regeneration will happen. See, now the regeneration has happened. And now let's see how it has come, how the stuff has come. Now you see it has come like this. The Markart is being generated. If you look, this is how the Markart. So little settings, all the settings, see the scale level is there. We can set back to 100. So once you set back to 100, it will fit into the sheet. So like this, the Markart generation happens. So there are many things which we can observe. So this is how the stuff was done. So now let us see how we will fit this or how we will do this stuff. So what are the parts of this particular stuff is what we will explore now. So now see, this is the different sections. You can see the availability of mark is there. See the header section, report card sections, the name of the student and all the stuff. So the day presents and see the what is at attendance percentage etc. is available. Again the scholastic areas marks are available, marks obtained, percentage, what is the grade obtained, all that options are available. Then we have so the core scholastic areas. So all these stuffs are available. Core scholastic areas. We have then we have the remarks and where the signing option for the parents and all the stuffs are available. The scaling option is right over here. So sometime what will happen? No, it will be like this. Click on more settings, select the paper size and the margins. You can set the margins. If you set the margin as custom, you have an option to drag and drop and all this stuff. So it automatically fits. Actually, that is advantage of it. It automatically fit to the margin whatever it is. Okay. If it is not fitting, then you can improve the scale to say 106. Now let's see what happens. And this is a one-time setting. See, now it is almost coming this one. So still, if you want to high, you can say 110. You can see it is covering the complete A4 sheet. It is almost covering the complete A4 sheet. So accordingly, we can scale it and we can make the fitting towards it. So we can say default means we will see how it will happen. So whenever we do it, now it automatically adjusts with the settings. So don't worry about it. It's completely dynamic. So this is how the generation of barcode happens. Now we need to see the code in action, how these codes are working, all that stuff that we will see in the next section. Now you please let me summarize this. The platform tools in version 2 can be found under portal customizations and the templates. And while we generate the mark cards or this one, we have to come to exam, academic exams and mark card generate, or a class sheet means class sheet generate, or analysis means analysis generate. So mark card generate, you can click over here. There you will get an option to add new, or if you are having the existing stuff, you can even copy this. For example, now this is you are done for demo 1. So if you want to do it for the another section, you can simply demo 2 if you want to choose, and you can click on generate means it will generate demo 2 marks. So before you generate, ensure the marks are updated, else it will give you the error. If the marks are not updated, it will give you the error stating that division by 0 or different kind of errors will be there. So please take care of that part. Ensure the generation of mark card for the this one, like all that exams are updated. You can check over active exams and do that. So now we have seen where we can find platform tools and all the stuff. In the coming section, I will detail in how to customize or parts of mark cards and all the stuff I will do. Thank you.